No, it's medicines. It did have that kind of bright white. Oh, she's on the phone. We'll try to get another shot at that, just because LA68VJD. Oh, I've seen so many number plates now, you never really quite know whether you've got one before or not. Twice onto the phone, huh? She jumped out of her skin.